Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the essentials: game version and server address. Once done, join the server or add it to your list. This gets you into the same world. Make sure you know whether you are on Java versus Bedrock, because that determines who you can see. Also check if the server is whitelisted or uses plugins that change names. These steps save time and avoid failed connections, so you can move to active locating without wasting effort on wrong servers or incompatible platforms. Once you're inside, use the server's communication and teleport commands to coordinate. For example, /tpa or /tpaher, when allowed, gets you together quickly. If commands aren't available, enable approved map mods or use a compass and set waypoints so you can track each other's coordinates. This works because coordinates are universal across clients. Also join the server's party or friend system when present, since these features reveal positions and simplify rendezvous. Keep communication steady. To finish, pick specific coordinates or a clear landmark and synchronize arrival time. This minimizes wandering. Once you converge, confirm everyone's usernames to avoid nicknames confusion. If someone is missing, relog first because many visibility problems clear on reconnect. If relog doesn't work, check for vanish plugins or permission issues and ask server staff to verify your friend's online status. Finally, use external voice chat as a fallback. It's the fastest way to coordinate if in-game tools fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.